This tool is currently the #3 bestseller on Amazon and was at a 5-in-1 blender. The price is under $35, so let's open it and see if it's any good. Hi everyone, I'm Tina and welcome back to our Shouldit Blender Series. Today we're unboxing the Turelar Immersion blender. I show you what's inside and give my first impressions. Let's do it! First up, we have the user manual. It tells you how to use and clean the blender. And next is the blending stick. It's made of stainless steel with 4-pronged blades at the bottom. The blades covered by a guard to keep your cookware safe and reduce mess. To use, you should attach the stick to this main unit. The process is quite simple. Line them up, press them together, and you're ready to blend. As for the body, it's powered by an 1100-watt motor. I think the whole blender weighs about 3.2 pounds, not too heavy by the way. You control the speed using this trigger. There's also a speed indicator on the top of the handle to show how fast the motor is running. It looks really nice. I'll try it out now. The cord is long enough and the block has 2 prongs. Actually, it's pretty straightforward. The harder you press the trigger, the faster the blender runs. If you want slow speed, just press it slightly enough. Feels very responsive. Regarding the additional attachment, we got a whisk, a milk frother, and a food processor for chopping tasks. They snap on and off easily for easy cleaning. We also have a small mixing picker. But for your first use, don't forget to clean on up down with some soapy water. Now let's try them out to see how they work. Now we're going to make some smoothies with fresh bananas and apples. It was a stable process. I just held the blender with one hand, but the blade stayed really steady. The weight is also easy to manage. I pressed the trigger lightly to start slow and it blended right away. When I press harder, it speeded up fast, super smooth. No splashing at all. The guy really kept things clean. The foods were broken down quickly and the ring came out smooth, creamy enough. No chunks left. I'm very happy with the result. And that's the Turelar Immersion Blender Unbox. We'll test it out soon, so don't forget to subscribe for the full review. Thanks for watching Shouldit and see you next time. Bye!